when performing electrical discharge machining on tiny features of mold components. The precision and quantity of electrodes directly impact the results and efficiency of the DM process. Jingdio Group employs the Jingdio 3-axis high-speed machine to assist clients in reducing the number of electrodes required for electrical discharge machining from 10 to 1. The electrical discharge machining now only takes a single minute, significantly boosting efficiency in the process. There are 2,000 small columns distributed on the electrode, with dimensional consistency reaching 5 micrometers. This ensures the precision of electrical discharge machining. Let's take a look at how the Jingdio 3-axis high-speed machine excels in the processing of precision electrodes.